Now try to express 2.025 as a fraction in its simplest form. You can pause the video, try this yourself, compare your result to the answer we get at the end of this video. Solution. First thing you do is to bring this into fraction, that is 2.025 over 1. Now we multiply by, since there are 3 decimal places, that is 1000. And this will bring us to 2025 over 1000, right? So now we bring this to its simplest form. To do that, write 2025 divided by 5 and then 1000 divided by 5. This would give us, for the numerator we have 5 in 20, that is 4. 5 in 2, 0. In 25 is 5 over 5 in 10, that's 2. Then 0, 0. 405 over 200. 5 is still a factor, so let's still divide by 5. 405 divided by 5, and then 200 divided by 5. Now 5 in 40, that is 8, and then in 5 is 1. 5 in 20, that is 4, and then in 0. So now we have 81 over 40. Now let's use our long division to get our remainder. So we have 81 and then 40. 40 in 81, that is 2. Then we apply 2 times 40 to give us 80, which when we subtract, we'll have 1 as our remainder. Therefore, we can conclude to say 2.025 equals 2 whole number 1 over 40. This is how we bring a decimal like this to a fraction in its simplest form. Thank you.